Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And today, Flappy Cat, it's the Crazed Bird. Yay, last Crazed Cat stage. Now I can try and beat some manic stages and probably fail. And the Octopus Cat is here because I can't remember why I used him, but I'll probably find out somewhere in the video. And, okay. Let's see. And, okay. The battle begins. Oh yeah, I think, is Crazed Bird a, floating enemy? Would make sense if he was. And anyway, let's save up. Okay. I'll go like. I'll do some stalling with castle lights. Then, Abraham, go, bang. Abraham is very useful if you deploy him right at the start. As soon as possible. Bang. And now he's dead. But he got a good chunk of his health, of Crazed Bird's health off. And now, Octopus Cat, yay! And strategies are because you know he's really good. He is epically epic. And whack. Oh yeah, Crazed Bird is a floating enemy. He can do the weaken effect against floating, and now he's dead because Randy is also here. And he's not a floating enemy. So Octopus Cat is not resistant against him. And bang. Okay, just do all you can to stop to beat the stage, and whap. There we go, weaken effect. Whap. As long as there's an octopus attacking, Crazed Bird should be weakened. Whap. And whap. There we go. Whap. Okay, there's two reindeers. What to do? I'm not sure. Cat cannon. And okay. Okay, I think I'll just try kill a reindeer. And yeah, you have quite a lot of knockbacks. Bang, 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 bang. And whap. There we go. And okay, it's Boar. Boar is not very fun. He is a fast-paced boss who kills everything. He's not very nice. Cat cannon. And there's 3 reindeers. And go. There we go. And deploy a lot of meat shields. As many meat shields as you have. Bang. Ooh, he's a one-shot. And bang. Other reindeer eliminated. And bang. Ooh, gone. There you go. And base is being disrupted. And crazy enough to work. Every crazed cat has been achieved. It's very epic. And now we go the last Crazed Cat I have to unlock. Right here. Crazed Bird Cat. And yeah, it has the House of a P, exceptional attack power, area attack and stuff, yeah. And there we go. Crazy enough to work. They were on Crazed stages. And so, yeah. All of the Crazed Cats are here. Says Crazed version increases attack range. Okay, well, that's decent. And anyway, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video sometime. Yeah, bye guys.